Today we're going to be looking at finding area, perimeter, and volume. Okay, so remember all of these formulas can have to memorize any of them, although I know some of them we tend to already just know how to find them. But they're always here if you need them because as you get older there's going to be lots more. All right, the first one we're going to do is perimeter. So remember it's like the rim because it's the distance around an object. So it's the outside distance around the object. And it's found by using the formula 2 times your length plus 2 times your width. Okay, so if we take 2 times the length, 2 times 3 plus 2 times your width, so plus 2 times 5 equals your perimeter. So then you do 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, plus 10, because 2 times 5 is 10, equals your perimeter. So 6 plus 10 is 16 centimeters is your perimeter. That's the distance around the picture of the frog. Okay, the next one we're going to look at is the area of the suitcase. So we have area, remember, is length times width, which is the amount of surface an object takes up. So it's the inside flat of a flat figure. So remember, it's just a 2D, it doesn't have any height. So it is also the base of a 3D object. So we're going to be looking at the base of this front side of the suitcase. So area is length times width. So area is, on this problem is 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So your area is 24 squared centimeters. All right, so the new one we're going to look at is volume. So volume is length times width, or you can call it length times width times height, or base times height. So it can be base times height because remember your base is your area, because your area is length times width. So volume is the amount of space an object takes up. So in this one we're going to look at the volume of this building. And so it's got a length of 3, a width of 6, and a height of 4 feet. So when you go through and plug it in, so remember that's the base because your area, which would be the flat part, so it'd be 6 times 3, which is 18, times your height, which is 12. So then 18 times 12 is 216 cubic feet. Remember it's found in cubic units is volume. All right, so be sure that you bring in tomorrow these 3 words and with their formulas and the definitions of what they are and example problems. Okay, see y'all tomorrow.